eBay's own bulk listing tool will fight you the whole way, so I stopped using it. Now, uploading 100 cards takes me about 30 seconds. If you've got an export file from Card Uploader or any tool that builds an eBay CSV, this is the exact path to get them all live at once, plus the one screen to check when something goes wrong. In Seller Hub, you'll see a big Create Listing button. Ignore it. That's the slow way. Instead, go to Listings, then Active. Over on the far right, there's a small upload link. Click it, choose your export file, and you're done. Every card is live. Sit back and admire your work. Now, if something does glitch, don't panic. In that same spot, go to the top menu, hit Reports, then Uploads. That's every file you've uploaded plus any error reports. The one that failed will say Failed on the right. Download it and read the error. And here's the good news. If a batch fails, none of its cards went live, so you're not hunting card by card. You just fix the problem, re-download, and re-upload. Want to tweak them after they're live? Go to Listings, then Active, and filter by price or just search. Since the title carries the license, I can pull up only my Pokémon to edit. Select your cards, hit Edit, then Edit Selected. A little quirk though, you do have to reselect all again inside to bulk edit, but then you've got price, shipping, and category for the whole group. It's handy if you want to move a pile of Japanese Pokemon into their own store category, assuming you have a store. You can hit submit and you're done. And that's it. That's how you list at volume without eBay's lister getting in your way. Your cards are live. The only thing left is what happens when they sell. I'll walk you through exactly how I pack and ship in the next video, linked right here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe to the Black Star Promo YouTube channel. Take care, y'all.